As a mom, my earbuds are my little escape when I am alone. But lately, I have been wondering about my hearing, because I always turning my volume to the highest. Hence, I decided to go for a hearing test and 20 dB hearing. They offer comprehensive hearing tests to understand what is really going on. It is not just for seniors, they also provide hearing care for kids too. During the hearing test, you will wear headphones and listen to a series of different tones. They will go through clear explanation of the result and tailor recommendation based on the hearing needs. This Parent Day is such a meaningful way to take care of our parents. Give them the gift of better hearing at 20 dB hearing.